Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. My name is Carlos and you're in Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And in this video, we're going to talk about how you guys can earn up to $33,000 a month. Now, look at this. Pretty insane, huh? And this is by uploading absolutely super simple videos. Now, if you want more videos like this and you want more strategies, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. But also, stay till the end because I'm gonna give you a couple tips how you guys can earn even more money, not only from the videos. You remember, we talk about affiliate marketing on this channel. So, we gotta go back here and the channel is called The Relax Guy. Okay, and he has uploaded about 76 videos. He has over 500,000 subscribers and he's earning between $2,000 and $33,000 on his views. Now, we gotta go to YouTube and you gotta enter on the search bar sounds of nature and you're gonna see all these videos. And I want you to look at video 1, 2, and 3 and look who's here. The Relax Guy channel. So we're gonna click on this video. And as you can see, I was listening to it for parts of it. And it's funny because I left it for 45 minutes and this is all I heard. This is just a video that is constantly on a loop. And this video is about 3 hours, okay? Has over 65 million views since November 25, 2014. So that's insane, okay? Now I want you to go to YouTube and we're gonna click on Sounds of Rain. And as you can see, here it is again, the Relax Guy channel, okay? And we're gonna enter sounds of nature for sleeping. And guess who appears again? The Relax Guy. So this same video is on the first page and is the third video on the YouTube search engine. That's why he's getting millions and millions of views on a simple video. There's in a loop and I'm gonna teach you how to do that if you follow the step-by-step tutorial that I'm giving you right now. Now, this is one thing that you need to do. We gotta go here, we're gonna open this, and you gotta enter vidIQ Chrome extension. And you're gonna click on that one. And you're gonna go here and you're gonna click and you gotta download this extension which you see up here on my browser. But you also going to click on this and you're gonna TubeBuddy Chrome extension. You're gonna click on that. We're gonna click on here. You gotta go here and download the Chrome extension. As you can see, I got it right here. Why do you need this? I'm gonna go back to the video and as you can see, it gives you all the information that you need to know. Now, this specific keyword, which is the thunder and rain sounds, is a very competitive keyword, okay? And the volume, it's pretty high. But that doesn't mean that you won't be able to rank for these videos, right? You need examples here, rain sounds for sleeping, sounds of nature, and it gives you all kinds of examples. Okay, so what you are going to do is you're gonna look at the video, we're gonna click on it, and as you can see, this is the information on the video. These are the tags he's using to be at the top. Now you gotta remember, this channel has been there for a long time and this video has been sitting for a long time. So you guys have to really check this out. Make the video yours a little longer and you know, you will be able to rank as you post even more videos. He posted like 70 something, 75 videos. Post more, so your channel start moving up in the rankings. Okay, so that's why you need both of them. TubeBuddy will also give you information, right? You need the tools, and then you gotta enter keyword. Let's say rain drops for sleeping. And this is gonna give you an overall score. Look, that one is very good. So you can do a raindrops for sleeping video. That's gonna be your keyword. You're gonna use the tags of that other video, and as you can see, this one is very good. Search volume is over 1 million, almost 1.8 million people look for this. Competition is very good, and the optimization and string is pretty good. Then you can do raindrop sleeping, and you can use that almost the same video with a different background, and you can you know, start ranking for this specific keyword. So that's why you need these tools. There's gonna be links on the description so you guys can go download the extensions, okay? So we're gonna click off of that. Where you're gonna find the information, I'm gonna show you places where you can get it for free. One, audio library for YouTube. They're giving you these sounds for free. Now we're gonna go for rain, heavy, quiet interior. The video is 7 minutes. Okay, then you got rainwater dripping fast hard. It's only 48 seconds. But then you got this one that is heavy rain loud. And this one is 8 minutes, okay? Other places where you can find the free sounds is this website I found, at freesound.org. You register an account, and then you can download something like heavy rain sound. You gotta click on that. And a lot of these ones are, this work is licensed under the Creative Commons license, meaning you can use it, okay? Now, this is totally different than YouTube. I want you to stay away from trying to copy and upload the same videos from somebody else just because you don't want to do the work and you think it's Creative Commons. Now, how can you find Creative Commons videos on YouTube? You're gonna go to YouTube, Sounds of Nature, Filter, and you're gonna go to Creative Commons. Supposedly, all these videos are Creative Commons. I want you to stay away from doing this because I watch many videos, and apparently some of the ways the law is written for this inside YouTube, the creator of that video can change his mind at any time, and then they're gonna put a strike on your channel and on your video, and you can lose millions of subscribers, or you can even lose your business. So you got the things here for free. Just do the work, create these videos, create this channel, and you guys gonna be fine. Do not do Creative Commons. I know a lot of people on YouTube tell you you can use them. I will stay away from it. That's my opinion. You can do whatever you want. You get the free sounds from Free Sounds, and there's plenty of websites that do royalty-free sounds and YouTube, okay? Where you gonna get the background, we're gonna go to Pixabay. And as you can see, all these are free. And this is almost the same background as that other video. So you're gonna click on that. Actually, this one is not free. What was the one that I was looking at that was free? I believe it was this one with the drops. Yeah, that one, because that's the one I downloaded. And as you can see, this one is free for commercial use, no attribution required. You're gonna click on download, and you gotta download it to your files, okay? Now, I already did this, so I'm gonna show you how we're gonna create the video. Now, I got the file right here. We're gonna bring it up to here. We're gonna strength that, and then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna copy, and then we're gonna paste, paste, and paste, right? And we got about a minute 15 seconds, okay? Then we're gonna use this one. I think this is the quiet one. Yeah, that's the one. I'm gonna drag this down. And if you see this, you are gonna notice that it's exactly the same thing as the video on that channel. Simple enough. You got, let's see. Up to here, you got 3 minutes. And if you keep just copy and paste until you got 3.5 hours of video. If you want to do a 3.5 hour video and you copy and paste this till you get 3.5 hours, all you got to do is export this one into your files, and then you download it into YouTube, and you have a video like this, right? This one is 12 hours. It's insane. So you use the tags of the videos, right, that I show you, and you can call your channel whatever you want. This one's the Relax Guy. You got Johnny Lawson, and as you can see, there's 2 videos by the same guy, the Relax Guy, back to back. So that's why he's getting millions and millions of views on his videos. And I want to give you a tip. In this channel, we talk about affiliate marketing, and the best way for you is to go into Audible. As you can see, this is part of Amazon, and they have a 30-day free trial. Calming nature sounds without music for deep sleep. They got the relaxing videos, ocean waves, all kinds of stuff. And they have a monthly recurring subscription of $14.95 a month. They can cancel anytime, but if people need this relaxing music and everything, they will go and purchase this, and then will leave that subscription for a long time. That means money to you, because if you go to Audible affiliates, you gotta advertise this on your videos, and you're gonna become an affiliate. And you can earn up to $10 for the gold digital membership, or they have the free trial digital membership, which is $5. So every time someone clicks on the link, and where are you gonna put that link? You're gonna click on your video. People are gonna click on your video, and you're gonna put this on the description. You can write something like, if you want access to more sounds like this and download it directly to your phone, click on the link in the description, and it's gonna take them to that affiliate link. Now, one thing that I want to advise to you is, and we're gonna go into detail in other videos and also in my free course, is to create a landing page. It doesn't have to be anything more complicated. You can go into get response, ClickFunnels, whatever that you want to use, and you're gonna create a page like this. Very simple one. And you're gonna write something like, do you want calming nature sounds? There's a 30-day free trial. And enter your email to get access to it. And then you send them to, your affiliate link with Audible. And then you guys can start earning even more money. You can make money from your videos. You can make money as an affiliate. And then there's other affiliate programs that if you go into Google, you will be able to find, something with meditation or something like that is related to relaxation. And you can use those affiliate programs to promote it through your email list once you get people to sign up for these services. So you're creating 3 sources of income. You're making income from your videos, you're making income from your affiliate links, and you're creating income from people clicking on those other links for other programs that you have within your email list. So I hope that you guys understand that this is a very simple strategy. Yes, do the work. Please do the work. And click on the description because it's gotta be the link so you guys can go download the Chrome, the vidIQ Chrome extension and the TubeBuddy Chrome extension so you guys get access to this. Use them to your advantage and start ranking your videos at the top page of YouTube. Start getting all the same traffic that they're getting and start making a lot of money online. So if you want any more ideas of how other YouTube channels that you guys can create, there's a video that's coming right here with 50 more ideas of YouTube channels that you guys can start creating today, earning money, doing affiliate marketing, and you guys will be successful. You start today. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.